Handling finances in construction isn't easy, but with QuickBooks Enterprise for Contractors, it doesn't have to be hard. Let's break down the top 7 features that simplify your day-to-day workflow. Job costing and estimation. Accurate job costing is crucial. Track every dollar from estimate to completion and keep your projects on budget with real-time cost tracking. Change order management. Change orders can make or break your profit. QuickBooks helps you create and track changes effortlessly, ensuring you get paid for extra work. Industry-specific reporting. Get the information you need with customizable reports bundled for contractors, or create your own with advanced reporting. Customize job profitability. Analyze the income and costs associated with a specific job to determine its profit. These reports can be customized, and for more advanced options, QuickBooks Enterprise also offers reports like Committed Costs by Job and Work in Progress. Electronic invoicing. Speed up cash flow with digital invoicing. Send invoices with a Pay Now link and let QuickBooks automatically track payments. Task scheduling. Keep projects on track with built-in task scheduling. Set reminders for deadlines and milestones to stay ahead of your workload. Flexible billing rates. Every job is different. Your billing should be too. Set custom billing rates for employees, vendors, and clients with ease. Take control of your construction business with QuickBooks Enterprise for Contractors. What's more? Move your QuickBooks Enterprise to the cloud today and unlock remote access, so you can work anytime, anywhere, whether from your office, home, or on site. Visit Ace Cloud Hosting today.